Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Panasonic Technics EAH-AZ80 Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your device or to your phone, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or if you're getting sound only out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start with these earbuds, like you're just coming out of the box and you can set them up on a new device, like a new set of earbuds, we can go ahead and do that really easily. What we're going to do is we're going to start by putting them in the case like this and just letting them charge for a little bit. Make sure they've got a decent charge on them before you start this. And then we're just going to reset the earbuds one at a time. So we'll start with the earbud one, the right earbud. Take it out and actually put it in your ear so that you can hear what's going on. And once it's in your ear, then you're just going to come and touch and hold the panel, the back sensor on the back of the earbud, and just press and hold it until you hear the earbud say in your ear, it'll say pairing, and then it'll give you a little sound. From there you can just release it, wait a second or two, and then press and hold it again, and just keep holding it, holding it, holding it until you see it'll beep and it'll say completed. Basically, reset is complete. At which point you can take it off, take it out of your ear, put it back in the cradle, and then come over and do the same with this one. Take it out, put it in, press and hold this button until you hear pairing, release for a second or two, put it back on, and press and hold until you hear completed. Once you do that, put it back in the cradle. Then you can take these earbuds out and set them up as a new set of earbuds.